Hello everyone, welcome to District Endocrine. This is Dr. Rahman, I'm an endocrinologist. Today we have a special guest, Kelly Powell. She's one of our diabetes educators. She's qualified CDE, and today we're going to talk about how to check blood glucose, sugar, and how does the glucose meter work. So let's start.
Blood glucose monitoring, as you know, it's testing your blood sugar or blood glucose at home. And you want to make sure that you have all the supplies that you need. That would include your meter, your lancing device with a new lance set every time. Keep it sharp, keep it clean so you don't feel it. The glucose test strips, they are different for every machine, and you want to make sure that whatever machine you use, so it's important that the blood glucose test strips are the ones that are covered by your insurance because they are very expensive.
Right.
Okay. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure your meter is set with the current time and date. And remember, it is not tracking on a satellite, so if you have daylight savings time, you have to change it twice a year.
Right. So that's important that the time is kept up to date, so that when you go to your doctor, they understand exactly what time was the blood sugar checked. So that's important. Yeah.
Yes, it is. So once you've made sure that it is correct on time and date, you want to make sure you have that new lance set. You want to clean your hands. You have to make sure for several reasons. One of them is the washing motion is going to increase the blood flow, so that little pinprick is going to be very small. Another reason, of course, to get any debris off of your hands for germs' sake, but also if we had cinnamon toast and then I poked my finger, it could mix with the blood.
Right.
So I'm going to make sure and use alcohol and have something to dry off with, because I'm not going to blow where I've poked. I'd be putting germs right back, defeating the purpose of washing. So wash your hands really well or use alcohol. Let me do a little demonstration. First, we're going to take the meter. Most meters these days, you take your test strip, and when you put it in the machine, it will turn it on and get it ready for your test. It will light up. It will give you a signal to put the drop of blood on the side of the strip. We're going to clean off that fingertip and either let it dry or dry it, because you don't want to poke with the alcohol on there. We're going to lance the finger on the side, get a small drop of blood, and let the test strip suck in the amount it needs to do the test. And in 5 seconds, we'll have our result. The frequency of testing, of course, is determined by your healthcare team. And some people check just once a day, and some people alternate the times. Some people test 4 or more times a day. It doesn't mean that anyone's diabetes is worse than someone else's. It rather has to do with the state of the current control and the fluctuation in blood sugar.
Well, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Kelly, for coming and demonstrating today. Word of a disclaimer, we are not paid by this particular company. This is just what we had available to show a demonstration. Most of these glucose meters are very similar, and they perform just one function to get your blood sugar checked. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe District Endocrine, and you can go to our website www.districtendocrine.com. This is Dr. Rahman signing off. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye-bye.